I'm here to demo our exciting new Slack app integration for flows. You can connect any flow you own to a Slack channel to prompt people to post in the flow, as well as to show the flow responses conveniently in Slack for ultimate visibility and awareness. You can take an existing flow you own or create a new flow. Click the Share button. Go to the Connections tab. From there, you'll need to connect your workspace to Slack. I already have multiple workspaces connected. Once you have your workspace connected, select a channel whose members you want to post in the flow. Similarly, select the channel you want the flow posts to display in. All members of that Slack channel will be able to view the responses. If you have invite permissions, any member in that Slack channel who is not in Assembly will be invited to Assembly when you save these settings. You can see how all of the members from the selected Slack channel are automatically added to your flow. To update the role, simply add or remove the channel from either of the inputs on the Connections tab. If you remove the channel, those members will also be removed from the flow automatically, unless you have added other rules which include them. If your flow is on a schedule or on demand, the participation notification will appear directly in the selected Slack channel, as well as in the Assembly app in Slack. Clicking the participation link will open Assembly where you can post your response. I've included a few different types of blocks just to show you how this will look in Slack. Starting with the open-ended block. And now a drop-down. And a person selection block. And then finally, a preview of our NPS block that we just added to workflows. Once the response is posted, you'll see it appear in the channel you selected for viewing responses. I selected the same channel as participation, so it all appears in the same place. You can react to the post in Assembly, reply to it, and bring all of our amazing workflows into your own Slack workspace.